Today, I'll show you how to open an HSBC bank account online in the UK. If you're ready to manage your finances with one of the UK's leading banks, this guide will help you get started smoothly. Before we dive in, there are a couple of things you need to know. First, you must be at least 18 years old and a UK resident to open an account. With those requirements in mind, let's get started. The first step is to visit the HSBC UK website. Once you're there, navigate to the section where you can select a current account. HSBC offers a variety of accounts to suit different needs, so take a moment to review the options and pick the one that best matches your financial goals. Once you've chosen your desired account, you'll need to complete the online application form. This is where you'll fill in your personal details. Make sure to enter your name, address, and contact information accurately. This information is crucial for setting up your account and ensuring that HSBC can reach you if needed. In addition to your personal details, you'll also need to provide identification and proof of address. This might sound a bit daunting, but it's a standard procedure to ensure your security and compliance with banking regulations. Typically, a passport or driving license can serve as your ID, and a recent utility bill or bank statement should suffice for proof of address. Be sure to have these documents handy to avoid any delays. As you proceed through the application, you might be asked to verify your identity using the HSBC UK mobile banking app on your smartphone. This step adds an extra layer of security and helps confirm your identity quickly. If you don't already have the app, you can download it from your phone's app store. It's a straightforward process, and the app will guide you through each step to verify your identity seamlessly. Once you've submitted your application, the next stage is to wait for HSBC to review your details. They will assess your information, and once everything checks out, they'll notify you when your account is approved. This part of the process can take a little time, so be patient. And that's it. You've just learned how to open an HSBC bank account online in the UK. Following these steps ensures a smooth application process, and soon you'll have your new account ready to manage your everyday banking needs. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to check out HSBC's help section on their website for more information.